What's up, everybody? It's your girl Erica from the Classy Climb blog. As promised, I will go over the 60 side hustles you can start from home. So we'll read off a list here. I'm gonna go over a couple of them. Write a book, create an online course, trade domains, art model, babysitting, make jewelry, teach English, tutor, academic marking, research studies, focus groups, start a business, invest, YouTube, Twitch. Of course, I would always vouch for YouTube. Earn interest, cash rebates, invest in real estate, sell used textbooks, which is tough if you don't have anybody in your house or around you that have textbooks to sell. But make t-shirts, proofreading, graphic design, become a consultant, hairdressing, fitness instructor, yoga teacher, man with a van. I think that's kind of like what I've talked about here in Austin, the buddy truck system where, you know, they have the truck and they'll help you move things for a certain amount of dollars per hour. Translator, car wash services, cleaner, bartender, dog walker, house sitter, film extra. Now, you know, I'm from North Carolina. We had a lot of films in Wilmington, North Carolina. A lot of people boasted about being on a film. So being an extra on films. I think the Pursuit of Happiness movie, the most popular story is there was a homeless couple in the Pursuit of Happiness pretending to be a homeless couple in as an extra. And it was just the right amount of money they needed to stop being homeless. Enter competitions. I don't know what type of competitions. Mystery shopping, write an ebook, release music. Yeah, people can sell beats. People could honestly work as a musician at churches, teach music to students, all kind of ways. Social media manager, we've talked about that before here. User testing, rent your driveway, rent your home. Now, prime example, when we were at the Grant Cardone 10X, a lot of the houses around the building, which was an amazingly beautiful building, were renting their front yards for like $10, $20, $30, which was interesting because it was not the best area. But it was perfect because it was a simple way for a person to make money, you know, off their front yard and their driveway. Especially when they're charging $40, $50, $60 a day for parking at the same conference. Rent your home. So again, Airbnb, HomeAway. Rent your spare room, same thing. Tempting, what is that? I think they meant temp work. Uber, affiliate marketing. A lot of times you see me do affiliate marketing here in this channel. People come on, or I'm wearing people's t-shirts. Right now I've got the Windy City Smokeout in Chicago. You get it, right? And then there's a little link and I get a little few buckaroos. Same thing if you buy, people link you books or products on Amazon, same deal. Google AdSense, it's what I make off YouTube, of course, on one stream of it. Survey sites, sell crafts. That's to me the best way. If you sell crafts or you have something you make. Now, one thing I used to think was frustrating is when I would go to Charleston, South Carolina, and all the black people would have these baskets they make. Now, I know the straw baskets is a historical slavery related to the Charleston area thing. So people would buy baskets from them. But I also would hope that they would build other things, which I would go there sometime and they would make little dolls. They make all kind of stuff out of the straw. Web design. This is one of the leading things you'll need coming up as companies are looking for people to come on their website and stay there. Blogging. Okay, people think blogging is dead. I'm sorry, it's not dead. I know it drives you guys crazy, but like when you Google for information, what comes up? Videos and people's blogs. That's what people don't understand. Travel writer. Okay, what is Instagram right now? When you see all these people traveling and they go, hey, for more information, go over to my blog. You want to find out what hotel, what place. People go to their blog and do what? Go click the hotel, go click the luggage, go click all these affiliate links so that person gets paid from what? Their blog, right? And companies will use their blogging space. So again, travel writer, blogger, there's still ways to make money. And unfortunately, I do know a guy who spent 30 grand on a credit card traveling for a year. But hey, he did blog about it. Virtual assistant, VA, people always need those. If I were you, just make sure they have defined activities that you can complete. If you can't complete the activity, then it ain't helping you, right? Or them. Ghostwriting, this is important. There are so many books, there's so many rap songs, there's so much music that's ghostwritten. It don't make no sense. Photography, freelance writing, eBay. We've talked about this, but these are 60 side hustles to start earning money from home. Now, some of those require you to leave your home, but you got the gist of it. Trading domains, Flippa website, you can go on there. Making t-shirts, again, Shopify sites. We've had Money Madoo, other people come on where they've sold lots of t-shirts, coffee mugs, all kind of stuff. Again, the shirts I wear, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Those are conversational piece of shirts. People love them. People always ask me what's the website. If I would have got business cards from Eric, his name is Eric, I would have just handed them out because that's how much I get asked, where did I get the shirt from? Fitness instructor, So I'm just looking over some of the lists right now. Fitness instructor, yeah, Camp Gladiator, Gold's Gym, all these places that have fitness instructors. Yoga teachers, yeah. All these things can be made. Now listen, I know it sounds crazy, but there's a girl, I think her name was like Rachel Yoga. She used to be really popular on Instagram, her and several other Black yoga women, and they would host retreats. So again, all these things that you do that you could record yourself with the camera in the living room of yourself doing yoga, these ladies did, and then did what? Made money off of it by doing what? Holding a retreat where people pay thousands of dollars to go to the retreat in Costa Rica and Panama. But again, millions of ways to make money. Hope you'll review this list, and I'll write it in the description later.